Hello, welcome to the assignment 9 for the data science. And in this lab, we are going to do lab 4 creating a forecast with Amazon Forecast. And in the guided lab, Amazon Forecast lab overview, in this lab, you will use Amazon Forecast to create a forecast for sales data. You will start the online retail 2 dataset. This online retail 2 dataset contains all the transactions occurring between January 12 to 2009 and September 12, 2011 for a non-store online retail organization that's registered and based in the United Kingdom. The company mainly sells unique all occasion giftware. Many customers of the company are wholesalers, and the after completing this lab, you will able to use pandas to prepare time series data. Use Amazon Forecast to create a predictor. Use Amazon Forecast predictor to create a forecast. Compare a forecast against test data. And there are some prerequisites. Okay, duration is lab approximately takes 90 minutes, and AVS store is not used in this lab. Not used disable. In the addition, capabilities of the service used in the lab limited to the what the lab required. Errors behind this one. Okay, starting lab, and when it's ready, we're going to the AVS, and we are going to the Amazon SageMaker instances. Then open the forecast lab Python, and I'm uh, I'm starting lab in here. Okay, I will stop recording now, and when the lab is ready, I will come and reopen it. Okay, after created, and this file automatically run on lab startup. Do not attempt to run the cells. The Jupyter notebook is part of Amazon Forecast Student Lab. It was run when the lab was created. Yeah, so actually it is running, and that means. And if you just start the lab, load the forecast IBN and work through it, that notebook installed instead of this one. So we're going to work on here, not this one, but in this notebook summary, this notebook loads and prepares the online retail dataset. The dataset uploaded to Amazon Simple Storage Service S3, where it uses to create a forecast through Amazon Forecast. The notebook performs the following steps: importing and function, importing data, data preprocessing, generating, train, and testing data frames, uploading to Amazon S3, creating the Amazon Forecast dataset groups, creating the datasets, creating the predictors, getting accuracy metrics, creating the forecast, and optional cleanups. And in here, importing a function part, the Boto3 represent the AWS SDK for Python Boto3, which is Python library for AWS, Amazon Web Server. Pandas provides data frames for manipulating time series data. Matplotlib provides plotting functions. SageMaker represents the API that's needed to work with the Amazon SageMaker. Time, Sys, SUS, OS, IO, and JSON provide helper function. In addition to helper function are created, upload S3 CSV, upload the pandas data frames to Amazon S3 as CSV files. The header is removed, but not the index, and status indicator provides the status function for a long running APIs called Amazon Forecast. And in here there's a bucket name, importing matplotlib pandas, boto3, time system, OS, IO, and JSON, and also SageMaker. And there's a pandas version of it. And in here, the CSV file uploading, and this checking for uploaded. In here, just importing the data, and data preparation is in here. The following cell completes the following preparation steps, and generating the training and testing data frames, data into time series, related time series, pandas, data frames, downsamples the data from multiple sales entries per day into a single daily value, new quantity. The column is summed, and the min is used for the price column. Split data frames into training set data from January 2010 and October 2010, and testing set of data from November 2010 and December 2010. And in here, just uploading the Amazon S3, and in here, just creating the Amazon Forecast dataset group, creating the dataset in here, and predictors and guessing accuracy matrices, creating the forecast, and optional cleanups. If you go to our working institution, and we will prepare the dataset for creating a forecast by using Amazon Forecast, and includes two Jupyter notebooks, and also Python contains steps created by Amazon. This notebook is run background when lab starts. It can take between 1 to 2 hours complete. And okay, about the dataset. This online retail 2 dataset contains all transaction data occurred between two dates. Non-star online retail organization that registered and based in United Kingdom, as we read before. And for the attribute information, allowance number nominal a 6-digit integer number that's uniquely assigned to each transaction. If the code starts with the letter C, it indicates a cancellation, and the stock code, the product code, it's a nominal, a 5-digit integer number that's uniquely assigned to each distinct product. Description is the product name nominal, and quantity is the quantities of each product per transaction. It's a numeric. Date and time, numeric, the day and time when the transaction was generated, and unit price, as we can outside in its name, product price per unit in pound sterling, and customer ID, customer number nominal, a 5-digit integer number that's uniquely assigned to each customer, and country name as country, and it's a nominal, and dataset attributions are these ones. And in the first one, we're just importing the Python packages. Just want to, so when it's done, I want to display it. I'm running it, and yeah, I will just run all of them because it may take some time, and I don't. Oh, sorry. Okay, we go for the so much time for the cleaning. Yeah, okay. I will go for the beginning of it. Yeah. Okay, just run it. According to the description for the samples are missing. To keep things simple, you will remove anything with a missing value in here. And yeah, when I run it, it may take why it takes so much time. The Amazon forecast has, yeah, okay. Schemas for domains such as retail, this documentation, item ID string, timestamp, and daemon. Here we can display some little bit about informations within the how's the data, how's it looking. This is the stock code, it's a quantity, price, a country, numbers. We can display it by time, and in here we're just displaying it, and we can display with the relating to the time. And yeah, as we go here within the days, we're just making better looking of the table, and we're cleaning and size of the data, and we're displaying the countries in here, how much country in here, and we are just displaying country and their price rate. I mean, how many sales for the Japan or Switzerland. And in here we're displaying many other information like stock codes and stock codes sales in here. And actually we are doing the same thing for the other informations. Basically these are the same. And we're checking here the 300 stallions bigger, much more expensive than 300 stallions for the first 21. And in here we can split the data and downsampling to the scene with less information to make it more clear. I'm just going fast them because they're almost the same thing. And reviewing the creation of the forecast, the following cells are marked down, demonstrating the API calls needed to create a forecast based on data that you have been working with. Creating a forecast with Amazon Forecast involves three stages: creating dataset and importing data. This process typically takes 5-10 minutes, predictor 20-60 minutes, and forecast for 30 to 60 minutes. And in here we're just creating dataset and importing data. And actually this is given more information about how we are doing the forecast. And we are just running here the forecast as we did done in here. And yeah, actually this part is make a concation here and the first of the here, and giving another examples about how we are doing it. And thanks for the listening. Have a good day.